All right, so triangle MNP and triangle JKL are similar right triangles. Which proportion can be used to show that the slope of line MP is the same as the slope of line JL? All right, so this looks confusing, but all this is using y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if we take these ordered pairs for M, we have -10 and 8. And for P, we have -1 and 4. And if I plug this in, I'm going to subtract my y's, and I'm going to subtract my x's. Okay, does this look like anything over here? Okay, it looks like right here, that's the same. They just have parentheses. All right, and then if I look at my other ordered pairs, I have -7 and 4. And I have 1, 2, 3, -4 and 0. And so if I put those into the formula, I get 0 minus 4 and -4 minus -7. And that looks just like this. Okay, if you really wanted to, you could go ahead and solve and find the slope. It's just that this here, they didn't solve it to completion, but they're comparing these two proportions, the proportion of this larger triangle to a smaller triangle, and they're the same because they're equal. So that's going to be G. Okay, same thing with 15. We have triangle DEF and triangle GHI, and they're similar right triangles. Based on the information, which statement is true? Again, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we have the point -9 and 6, and we have the point -6 and 4. All right, and when I plug that in, I'm just going to subtract my y's, which are 4 and 6, and subtract my x's, which are -6 and -9. So does that look like anything? Well, it looks like this right here. And I think that's it. All right, if I look at my other ordered pairs, I have -3 and 2. And I have 6 and -4. And just plug this in. So I'm going to have -4 minus 2, my y's, and 6 minus -3, my x's. That looks just like this here. Okay, don't see this anywhere else. So these wrong answers either have the x and y mixed up, or they're not keeping the ordered pairs in the same order. Something else is wrong. So D is going to match the proportion to the graph where these two slopes are the same. And there you go.